2025. This will mark the 7th year since I decided to start this channel. Now, I want to give a special shout out to all the people who decided to support me. So as you can see over here, within the comment section, I try to respond to all the messages. And if I will uncheck that, we're gonna see all of those. As you can see, a lot of people will ask me various things regarding CATIA, and they will also thank me for that. There are other users that are mostly into 3D generative AI, and those are also quite popular. But this is something that I try within this channel to respond to everybody. If they are having some questions, I will try to go ahead and I can find that solution. So thank you, especially for those that decided to publicly subscribe, as you can see over here. And yeah, if I'm gonna go over here, within the channel analytics, we're gonna see that within the last month, we're gonna see that there were quite a lot of viewers on, so new viewers in this case, and also quite a lot of subscribers. So I would like to thank everybody that decided to subscribe. If I'm gonna go over here, for example, for the lifetime, we're gonna see the evolution of the channel within these 7 years. So let's say the most views were within the last 2 years. So let's see over here once YouTube Studio will decide to showcase those. So okay, so we have over here the following. So the total number of subscribers, as you can see, the most of them are from within normal videos, but there are some also from shorts. And yeah, we see over here the lifetime views. So it's more than 1 million for the normal videos in 7 years. So I'm really grateful for that. And yeah, if I'm also gonna check over here, this is the list with the people that decided to subscribe. So this is again a public subscription. And I would like to give a big thanks to everybody that decided to support my channel. So if I'm gonna go over here, we're gonna see that some of the subscribers are also content creators, as we can see over here. And yeah, I'm really grateful to all the people that decided to subscribe, and also to those that decided to go ahead and comment, because that is something really important for me, that if people will have various questions, they can just do so. I can also filter this by the date, as you can see over here. So December, we're gonna see quite a lot of subscribers over here within December. So again, thank you very much for all your support. And within 2026, I will want to create more content, especially for CAD. So CATIA, 3D Experience, Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. But also I will go into more, let's say, in detail analysis for generative AI. As you can see over here, I already have something prepared for the following case study. And I will go ahead and I will compare various elements. Okay, so again, thank you very much for your support. I'm gonna create more content, so you're gonna find an additional video over here on the left side, and I'll also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.